The asset visualization platform allows, in the first place, to locate all the images on a map for both transmission lines and substations. On the other hand, it enables users to access and navigate 360-degree environments built with high-quality images of the substations. Now, we will briefly show the use of the platform by entering colbun.plataformamonitoreo.cl and logging in by entering your email and password. Once the session is open, you will be able to see the name of the user on the left. And 3 options to navigate within the platform: Photos 360, Admin, and Map. We will start with the map. The 3 zones will be deployed: North, Center, and South. For each of these, you will have the option to see images for lines or substations. We will start with lines and randomly select one to enter and see its related images. In the Armadillo line, we find first of all the references, which in this case means towers. These references can be hidden or shown just by clicking on the button that's shown on the lower part of the screen. When we zoom in at the references or the line, all images related will appear on the left side of the screen. The images can be seen by clicking on the eye that appears in the list of images on the left side of the screen, or even downloaded. If you click on Download, it will open in a new browser tab, allowing you to zoom in for a more detailed view, or simply download it by clicking on the right button of the mouse and saving it as an image on your computer. We can also see, as we navigate down the line, how images become available or not, depending on the section we see. We can make them appear or disappear just by clicking in the eye. When we zoom out, we can see how all images of the section become available on the left menu. Also, on the left, you will find a list that directly sends you to any line or substation. To continue, we will go back to the main menu by clicking on Home, again Map, Center, but this time we will choose Substations. We will click on Substation Alto Jaguar, and as we enter, you will see to your left all information related to this facility, as well as the order photo of this place, which is a high-quality image georeference of the substation. By varying the level of opacity, we can see how it is perfectly positioned on the map. And as we click the satellite image, we can see where it is located. If we wish to access the order photo, we can just click on it and it will open in a new tab. We can also download it in an original format, .tif, to see even further details. To continue with the visualization platform, we will go back to the main menu, and this time we will click over 360-degree photos. We will also choose the center, and this time the substation La Mina. This will take you directly to the order photo that will be used in this case as a navigation map. By clicking on the red dots, you will access the 360-degree photo. Once inside, you can navigate from one spot to the other just by clicking on the red dot. Also, you will have access to detailed high-quality images of the assets, which you can open to view or download. You have seen Colbun's asset visualization platform.